Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by voiceover. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you a voiceover artist looking to make money online? The good news is that there are many opportunities to make a great living online. In this video, we'll discuss some of the ways you can make money online and provide tips for making the most of your career. The demand for voiceover artists is on the rise. The internet has created a global market for businesses and individuals who need voiceover services. This has opened up a whole new world of opportunities for those who can now work from the comfort of their own homes. Businesses are increasingly using voiceover artists to promote their products and services on radio, television, and the internet. This is because they can add a professional touch to any type of recording and help businesses reach a wider audience. There are many ways to make money online as a voiceover artist. You can charge per project or per hour, or even work on a commission basis. There are many online platforms and websites that artists can use to find work. Some of these platforms and websites include Fiverr, Upwork, and Voices.com. These platforms and websites allow freelancers to create profiles and bid on projects from clients all over the world. To make money online as a voiceover artist, it's important to ensure that your recordings are of the highest possible quality. Invest in good equipment and take the time to learn how to use it properly. Record in a quiet environment with no background noise. Offer a variety of services to your clients, such as recording voiceovers for videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or even video games. The more services you offer, the more likely you are to find work. Be willing to work with clients from all over the world, and don't limit yourself to working with local clients only. Many businesses from all over the world need voiceover artists. As a voiceover artist, you have the opportunity to make a great living online. By offering a variety of services to your clients, ensuring your recordings are of high quality, and being willing to work with clients from all over the world, you can ensure that you're always in demand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.